にちは。
こんにちは。
ナニです。
マニです。文法語へようこそ。
Okay, today is JLPT N4 and the topic is
頭。
Okay, so Kashira is in the JLPT N4 grammar list, but I've only heard it spoken in animes by super old women. But what does Kashira mean?
Well, 頭 is just a question word, and you have to put the end of the sentences. So it's just a question.
So what's an example of Kashira?
For example, これは何のコップかしら?
So it's コップですか? or でしょうか?
コップでしょうか? コップですか? But the point is, this word can be just used by old generation people and only women. So of course men can use this word. It sounds too feminine. And I think in old days all women use this word in daily conversation. But now no young people use it.
It's just in the JLPT because it often appears in animes and stuff. And people might be thinking, oh, why are they saying Kashira? So they put it in the JLPT N4 because most people might be watching anime where it comes up a lot, so that you know that it means like deshoka, deska, so you understand the meaning. But actually, unless you're an old woman from like 80 years ago, unless you're like 80-year-old woman, you shouldn't use it. Ever.
Yeah. And one more problem is Kashira is kind of a 役割語 in anime or manga. So it just exaggerates the personality of character. So for example, like in Evangelion, I think one of the character, Asuka, uses Kashira a lot.
But she's young.
Yeah, she's young, so it sounds so weird if you use it in daily conversation. So please don't use it.
So why is Asuka using it then?
Kashira sounds a bit posh. That's the point. So like Asuka is kind of a ojo-sama. And I think also Rei uses it. Yeah. I think the female character whose personality is very feminine or like her background is posh, they use Kashira a lot.
So if there's a gaijin walking around saying Kashira, 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 it's like, babe, stop watching anime.
Yeah, it sounds...
No one uses that.
Yeah, Taisho eras women.
Right, okay.
Or older women. Or just sounds like animation, so...
So don't use it.
Don't use it. And 面白いポイントは So like, I think Kashira sounds a bit weird to you, right? Like, what's the Kashira? It doesn't sound like Japanese, but actually it's Ka Shiranu. I don't know.
So what is it? Ka, because I don't know. Shiranu.
Yeah, Shiranu means 知らない in old
language.
Japanese language. In old days, only men use this word, like samurai use かしらぬ みたいな感じ. And like after samurai use かしらぬ after that only women use it, and now animation character uses it. So that's interesting.
面白いね。
それは本当かしら。このコップはあなたのかしら。大丈夫かしら。